Number 6, leave university. It means to withdraw or drop out from a university before completing a degree.
He had to leave university due to financial problems. He had to leave university due to financial problems. She's thinking about leaving university to start a business. She's thinking about leaving university to start a business. Many who leave university later return to finish. Many who leave university later return to finish.
Number 7, leave an unpleasant taste in your mouth. It means to create a bad feeling or memory.
The argument left an unpleasant taste in her mouth. The argument left an unpleasant taste in her mouth. Bad service can leave an unpleasant taste in your mouth. Bad service can leave an unpleasant taste in your mouth. Their rudeness left an unpleasant taste in my mouth. Their rudeness left an unpleasant taste in my mouth.
Number 8, lose contact. It means to stop communicating with someone over time.
They lost contact after high school. They lost contact after high school. Don't lose contact, let's keep in touch. Don't lose contact, let's keep in touch. I lost contact with my college friends. I lost contact with my college friends.
Number 9, lose your footing. It means to slip or lose stability while standing or moving.
He lost his footing on the icy path. He lost his footing on the icy path. She lost her footing and fell down the stairs. She lost her footing and fell down the stairs. It's easy to lose your footing on wet rocks. It's easy to lose your footing on wet rocks.
Number 10, lose a match. It means to be defeated in a sports game or competition.
They were disappointed to lose the match. They were disappointed to lose the match. It's okay to lose a match, just try again. It's okay to lose a match, just try again. The team lost a match but won the tournament. The team lost a match but won the tournament.